can feel the heat from your undercarriage because we have 6 straight checks. And if you can feel it
Well,
too,
I'm also in heat. So.
make sure you're tickling. You're in heat.
Well, we said the female, the women's.
You're in heat.
I know.
Make sure you.
That's why I said that. You said I can feel the heat.
You don't own cats, though.
I know. I'm also not in heat myself. Your issue was that I don't own cats. That was the issue with the comment.
That's just not a common phrase that people say.
That's what bothered you, but that's what made you laugh about that statement.
Oh shit. Okay. If you feel the heat yourself, make sure you smash that thumbs up.
Tickle the like button.
Oh God, I shouldn't have said that, bro. We were doing so good before that. Shit.
We're good.